Hi everyone. It is a question of a triangle. Question is, in triangle ABC, what is x in terms of z? Option A is z plus 73, option B z minus 73, option C 70 minus z, and option D z minus 70, and option E is 73 minus z. So we know the property of triangle that sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So first of all, we can write the sum of interior angle. This means x degree, x plus 37 plus z, 37 plus z plus 70 is equal to 180 degree. If I solve for x, so we can write it x plus 37 plus 70, so that is 107, x plus z plus 107 is equal to 180. Now x plus z equal to 180 minus 107, or x plus z equal to 180 minus 107, so that is 73. Now x equal to 73 minus z. So 73 minus g is the answer. So 73 minus g is option E. So we'll go with option E. So very simple question of triangles. Based on the property of triangles, sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree, namely angle A, angle B, sum of angle A, B, and C, 180 degree. We put the value of angle A as x, angle B 37 plus z, angle C 70 is equal to 180 degree, and we simplified it, and easily we can have the value of x in terms of z. So answer is E. Thank you for watching.